In front of me is Realme Narzo C3i, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact in this phone. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, then move to Contacts, and select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. So in my case, it is Eddie. Then click on More icon again, and select Edit. And now if you want to add profile picture to this contact, to this number, just tap on camera icon, and you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or select something from your gallery. It's up to you, but I will pick something from my gallery. Let me choose this one. Then you can crop it either via crop photo or photos up. It's up to you. I will pick crop photo, and now you can customize it as only you want to have it applied. Then tap on Done, click on Save to apply the changes, and that's it. From now on, every time Eddie will be calling you, you'll see this profile picture at first. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.